learn and grow on the Spotty Dotty Show. Shall we dance? Today I'm going to teach you 3 basic steps in salsa so you can move around the floor and have fun to the salsa rhythm. Step number 1, the basic step. We'll start with the left foot free, and I want you to take a forward step. Put your weight forward on that left foot. Then just move your weight back to the right foot. Then come together with the left foot. Now your right foot is free. I want you to do the same, going backwards. Take a step back with the right. Then move your weight back to the front on the left, and then come together with the right. That completes your basic step. Forward, replace, together, back, replace, together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Practice. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. Step number 2, the side basic. We're going to start going to the side, doing very similar step as the basic. You're gonna go side with the left, replace to the right, and come together. Then your right foot free, go side, replace to the left, come together. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Practice. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. Step number 3, the 5th position breaks. You're going to start with your left foot. Now we're going to be rocking back at an angle. So I want you to turn your left shoulder back and step back on that left foot at an angle. And then replace your weight to the right foot. Come together. Then do the same on the right foot, back at an angle. Replace your weight to the left foot and come together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Practice. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. Now it's time to have some fun. Go grab a partner and let's dance together. If you are a leader, you'll be starting with your left foot. And if you are a follower, you'll be starting with the right foot. Let's do this. So how should you hold your partner? Leaders, you should extend your left hand outwards, and followers, you should keep your fingers up and then fold it down over the leader's hand. Now for the opposite arm and hand, leaders, place your hand on the follower's shoulder blade, and followers, rest your arm and hand on the leader's right arm. Now because we have a height difference, he can only hold my waist, but you should place your hand ideally on the shoulder blade. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. To the side. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, fifth position. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. 1, 2, 3, pause.
Please like and subscribe and stay creative.